Hey guys, I'm Diana from Central Schwenkfelder Church and we're on the Oak Hill Historic School. And today we're starting some demo so we can fix this ramp that wasn't ADA compliant. So we're gonna level it a little bit and then wrap it around here. And today we're just starting with some jackhammering.
Hi, I'm Jeff from Central Schwenkfelder Church, and we're here at Dolores Keith's house, and we're working inside today. It was raining a little bit this morning, and so we're having a good time inside, but it's limited as to how many people can work because it's a small job inside. So here we are inside, and this is the piece of paneling we replaced. There was an air conditioning unit here. It was taken out of the wall, and there's some wiring that is gone now, and so now this afternoon we'll continue to work inside, and the sleepers will begin working on the wall painting.
Hi guys, I'm Sam from Central Schwenkfelder. I'm here at the Keith family's house. Looks like the rain has stopped, which is good because that means we can move outside a bit maybe.
Hi guys, I'm Luke from Central Schwenkfelder Church. This week at the house we're going to put windows in all the spaces.
We are at the Miller Road site. Today I have been spackling, sanding walls, and fixing windows. The goal this week is to put windows in this house.
Hi, I'm Grace. I'm from Central Schwenkfelder Church, and today we're at Becky's work site. This week we have a lot of work to do. We're redoing a whole bathroom. Okay, so we're inside here and we're putting in the installation to begin to start putting in the drywall. Today I helped take out part of the wall and then took out some of the nails. Get off!
I don't want to hold the chicken.
Keep hydrated.
Hi, my name's Daniel. I'm from Central, and we're working on the railing at the Oak Hill School. So it's been a couple hours since Nathan's been here, and we got a lot of work done. We've broken a lot of the ramp and the concrete, and it's going well.
Hi guys, I'm Audrey and we're in the basement of the old schoolhouse. We're cleaning up this room. There's like a lot of old moldy stuff and we have to clean it up.
So there are 4 things I want to talk about in this story, 4 things that we would call a leadership test. And this is a great week to practice being a leader.
If I had to pick a leadership principle that I thought was the most important for Doc's message last night, I'd pick the see the big picture test, because to be able to be a good leader, I think you need to see the whole picture and be able to make a decision off that that's the best for the group.
You have to see the big picture. God is working through you, God is working through us, so that people at the laundromat are already looking for the things that you're going to be doing.
My favorite part was when he was talking about the 4 tasks, and I liked the credit one.
I want you to enter into the adventure of leadership. Now, you can ask Julian, it's not always an adventure you want to have, but it is an adventure, yes? There are ups and downs. And some days you go home and you go, Lord, why did you do this to me? And sometimes you go home and you go, Dougie Batinger is the pastor in my son's town.
5 principles with who gets the credit was really important.
Now, the 3rd one is really cool. Most people want credit. If something good happens, that was me. Who was the fisherman in the boat? Peter. And he didn't want to do it, but Jesus said, do it. And then he could have said, I am the goat of all fishermen. I have caught more fish than anybody else. He could have taken the credit, but he gave the credit to Jesus.
It shows that we shouldn't take the credit, God should take the credit, and that when we do something that was good for someone else, we shouldn't point it on us, we should point it on God and what He does for us every day.